Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to the online class of English Literature. Hope you all are well and taking care of yourselves and following all the precautions to avoid novel coronavirus. Stay home, stay safe, take care of yourselves. So today's topic is an interesting topic related to you, to your home, to your environment. So this lesson in your course book, that's chapter number 2, that name is My Home Environment from My Reminiscences by Rabindranath Tagore. So you know well to that author because in our previous video or in our previous poem we discussed about the author, and today also we will discuss. Before going to know about the author, we will know the meaning or we will know about My Reminiscences. If you will ask the meaning of reminiscences, that is called what we can call memories, old memories. If you will go through the meaning, an act of remembering long past experiences. Okay, so My Reminiscences is an autobiography of Rabindranath Tagore, and the whole story, My Home Environment, is a part of this book, right? Okay, so now we will know about the author. As I said you, the author is Rabindranath Tagore, and in short or that he got the name that is called Gurudev. He was born on 7th May 1861 and passed away on 7th August 1941, and each and everyone known him, and he was famous not only India, the whole worldwide he famous. He was awarded the Nobel Prize in 1913 for his collection of poems that is popularly named Gitanjali. He loved the Bengali countryside because he belongs to Bengal, West Bengal, and maintained close contact with the people or the village people. Clear? So this one search about the poet or the author. So in this chapter we will discuss what because in this chapter we will discuss the author recollects the golden memories of his childhood when he used to spend his childhood days with his cousin brothers, and I said you he belongs to West Bengal. Now let us read about the atmosphere and family life in Rabindranath Tagore's childhood home. Before going to start, you have a task and try to discuss with your family members, because the question is what is a family, what do the family members do for each other, and you ask yourself, and what you ask yourself what you can do to your family, for family, what can I do for the people in my family, what have I learnt from my family. These all the questions. What you will do, you will discuss with your family members, or if you have any cousin brother or cousin sister or any friend, you can discuss and note down it, right? So we will start the paragraph, the first paragraph. One great advantage which I enjoyed in my younger days was the literary and artistic atmosphere which pervaded our house. Here I refer to the author, and the author, who is the author? I say to Rabindranath Tagore. He said, I enjoyed in my younger days. That means when he was small, that time he enjoyed a lot because the atmosphere where he was living, the atmosphere was literary and artistic. That means all are fond of literature and different things which are related to literature or education. So that's why he spent more. He got more knowledge about. He got more knowledge about the literature. I remember how when I was quite a child, I would be leaning against the veranda railings which overlooked the detached building comprising the reception rooms. So what he said here, he said when I was small, that time I remembered. What I remembered, as you are doing now, you have railings in your home, that means the roof. What you are doing, you are standing and looking opposite what is going on, like that. He was doing that. He was standing, you can see the picture here, how he stood here. And what he is doing, he is watching the reception rooms. What the meaning of reception rooms? The room for receiving and entertain the guest. Nowadays we are no one doing this all. In earlier days they are doing. Okay, so what he is doing, he is standing and watching the reception rooms. These rooms would these rooms would be lighted of every evenings. Splendid carriage would draw off under the portico, and the visitors would be constantly coming and going. What is here? What he said here? He said when that time that reception room was lighted up. That means every day at the evening that reception room lighted up, and so many carriages. That you know the meaning of carriages here. You can see the picture that like a cart. Some people are coming and going. So all that means everyone coming and going. Okay, that all he is watching through his railings or the veranda. What was happening, I could not very well make out, but I would keep staring at the rows of lighted casements from my place in the darkness. So he don't know what is going on there, but he is standing and watching everything. Okay, so through the window, everything what you can see, if you will sit in your home through the window, you can see the opposite house, what they are doing, they are playing, or you can see outside also. So the intervening space was not great, but the gulf between my infant world and these lights was immense. So what he said, the space between his house and the reception room is not far distance, that little bit distance. As you know, our street one between road is there, that road separates opposite that means that side room and that side, this side house, that like that. So but he said, but I am small and I felt that is a gulf. Gulf means a large difference, because he is standing at the top of the railing, the top of the roof, and watching the ground floor. So he can imagine, you can also imagine it's a big deep feeling deep, because he was small. So here next paragraph we will move. My elder cousin Ganendra had just got a drama written by Pandit Tarkaratna and was having it staged in the house. So what his elder cousin, keep it the name, that is Ganendra. What he got a drama, that drama written by the Pandit Tarkaratna, and what he did, he rehearsed in his home only. His enthusiasm for literature and the fine arts knew has no bounds. If you have eagerness to know everything, that means you have no one can oppose you. He was the center of the group who seemed to have been almost consciously striving to bring about from every side of the Renaissance which we see today. Okay, so what he is the center, that means he is the attracted person, or he is the famous person who brought everything. Okay, right. But the meaning of Renaissance, keep in mind, a rise of new interest in a particular subject or form of art after a period when it was not very popular. That time you don't know that all, but now it's famous. And why? Due to like these people, those who have eagerness to do. Then after we know that okay, oh, like that he did. That means they did some good things. Today we are recalling them. A pronounced nationalism in dress, literature, music, art and drama had awakened in and around him. What the meaning of pronounced nationalism? So, is a very noticeable support for the political independence of a nation or the people. You know, as our CM, famous everywhere due to his work. Okay, like that he also famous due to his literature and his performance. He was a keen student of the history of different countries, and he began but could not complete a historical work in Bengali. He is interested in history, but he could not complete. He started something to know about the history of different countries, but he could not complete it due to his problem. We will discuss what problem he had. He had translated and published the Sanskrit drama Vikramavarsi and many a well-known hymn in his composition. So he not did due to because he died, and he translated a drama in Sanskrit language. The name of the drama Vikramavarsi. Now move to the third paragraph. I was still a child when my cousin Ganendra died in the prime of his youth, but for those who have once beheld him, it is impossible to forget his handsome, tall and stately figure. Okay, so now the author said here, I was still child when he died. His elder cousin. What the name of the elder cousin, as I said you, Ganendra. He died in his young time, and no one will forget him because his work, not only his work, his handsome, tall and stately figure. That means everyone are loving to that people. If you have something, you are doing good, that everyone will love and you will be famous. He had an irresistible social influence. That means he made like this surrounding. So if you want to forget also, you will not forget because he like that person. He could draw men round him and keep them bound to him. While his powerful attraction was there, disruption was out of the question. So what he did, he had the quality to attract the people and keep attached. So if you want to live, you can't. Like this bonding he created. He was one of those, a type of peculiar to our country, who by their personal magnetism easily established themselves in the center of their family or the village. What? He is the only peculiar. You don't keep in mind the meaning of peculiar. Belonging or relating to one a particular place, situation or a person and not to others. So, he is a peculiar one in our country who created his own image, okay, and that image not only in his family, not only in the society, the whole village. Now move to the next paragraph. I remember still better his younger brother, my cousin Gunendra. Keep in mind here the elder brother, what the name? Ganendra, and the younger one, that is Gunendra. He likewise kept the house filled with his personality. He also same. There is Ganendra. Gunendra also same. He also famous for his personality. His large, gracious heart embraced alike relatives, friends, guests, and dependents. Okay, but he kept like this personality. That means everyone, not only his family, his relatives, his friend, guest, and the dependent means those who are depend on him. Whether in his broad south veranda or on the lawn by the fountain or at the tank edge on the facing platform, he presides over self-invited gatherings like hospitality incarnate. So what? Everywhere when he is moving, each and every corner, the peoples are coming to talk, to do different things. Okay, so why? Because each and everyone loving him due to his good works, due to his personality. Here, keep in mind here the meaning of incarnate. In a human form. Okay, he is what we are calling missile. His wide appreciation of art and talent kept him constantly radiant with enthusiasm. So, what his wide appreciation of art, he loved in art, and his talent, I think can't imagine. That is the different way. So, for that reason, each and everyone loving and like to this Gunendra. New ideas of festivity or frolic, theatricals or other entertainments found in him a ready pattern, and with his help would flourish and find fortune. Okay, flourish and find fortune. So what here says? He have the ideas. Which type of situation will come? How to handle this? Every ideas, everything he kept in mind. Not only festives, not only frolic, theatrical and entertainment, each and every field he had the knowledge, and for that he achieved and he made like this personality. Keep in mind the meaning of passion is a fan or well-wishers. In your book written here, person who gives support to cause, and fruition, the successful result of a plan. If you plan something and if you want to do, then you will success. After success, each and everyone will know you well. Now, the author said, we were too young then to take any part of these doings, but the waves of merriment and life to which they gave rise came and beat at the doors of our for our curiosity. So what? We are too young. We can't. If we want to do, we will not do. But the way of willingness. Okay. So the curiosity. What the meaning of curiosity? That means what interest. Okay. Merriment and life which came the beat at the door. That means scoop coming to our home. Then why we will live? if that what we are calling, if opportunity is coming, so why we will we will accept that. What will happen, we will decide later, but when the opportunities are coming, you have to tackle it. I remember how a burlesque composed by my eldest brother was once being rehearsed in my cousin's big drawing room. So he was remembering that one is burlesque. That burlesque means a comic. He remembered the comic what his elder brother rehearsed. Wrote that one, rehearsed in his cousin's drawing room. You know the meaning of drawing room. From our place, against the veranda railings of our house, we could hear through the open windows opposite roars of the laughter mixed with the strains of a comic song. So, what the writer said here, what they are doing in his home, that I can hear through the window, because he is standing at the roof, at the what we call it, yes, that is a railing there. He stood there and watching the scene of the reception room and the carriages, everything he was watching, and by that time he also listening the reals, what the small one doing in his home. This is the story. Next part we will discuss. It will take 2-3 parts because so long lesson. So here we discussed what, how he spent his childhood, and who are Arthur's cousin. 2 cousins we discussed here. The first one is your Ganendra, who was a dramatist and did drama, which was written by Pandit Tarkaratna, and he translated a drama in Sanskrit language, that is Vikramavarsi. Similarly, after his he died, his younger one, the name is younger cousin Gunendra. He also famous for his personality. Not only personality, everything, all are loving. So like this, the story, like this, the author spent his childhood. More stories are there. We will discuss in our next video. Till then, bye bye. Stay home, stay safe. As I said, you follow the precaution, and what you will do, you have a word bank in your book. As I discussed, page number 29, you have so many words, new words. Not only that words, when you are reading the paragraph, if you are thinking, no, this word is difficult for me, so what you will do, note down the word and write the meaning from the dictionary. Clear? And try to find out their synonym and antonym. Why synonym and antonym? Because when you are reading, if you don't know the meaning of the word, or you don't know the meaning of the word, but you know the synonym of the words, so that through the synonym it will easy to recall. Clear? Hope you understood. What you will do, you will find out the words, except the words what given in your word bank, and write their meaning with their synonym and antonym. These all word meanings you will write in your English 2 copy. Okay, thank you. Have a good day.